The Inmotion Adventure V14 stands as a pinnacle of electric unicycle innovation. Inmotion's latest offering, this unicycle represents the epitome of acceleration in its class. Engineered with a focus on off-road capabilities, it boasts an astounding 9,000 watt peak motor power, setting a new benchmark for performance. With an impressive incline capability of 50 degrees, it conquers challenging terrains with ease. The V14 incorporates a dual suspension system, featuring suspension sliders on the sides and a coil suspension on the rear, ensuring a remarkably smooth ride even on rugged trails. Its tire tread is purposefully designed to provide exceptional traction on loose surfaces like sand, gravel, and dirt. Equipped with the advanced Raptor controller, featuring 42 MOSFETs and 18 capacitors, it offers a remarkable 40% voltage margin and supports a continuous current output of up to 450 amp, ensuring enduring and stable high-power performance. With the motor power ranging from 4,000 watt rated to 9,000 watt peak and a motor torque of 850 Nm, it delivers unmatched acceleration. The V14 can achieve a top speed of 110 km per hour when the wheel spins freely, though this may vary depending on the rider's weight. Its powerful headlight guarantees visibility in low-light conditions, enhancing safety during nighttime adventures. Moreover, it charges rapidly, going from 0% to 80% charge in just 1 hour, making it a versatile and efficient choice for thrill seekers and off-road enthusiasts alike.